So the first lesson is the Enscape Toolbar. I will be using Enscape 4.1 onwards. Once you have installed Enscape and signed in successfully, the Enscape Toolbar should already be there as a top menu. However, let's say you can't see it. This simply means your installation is messed up. Reinstall a fresh copy. If you don't see it, you don't have it. You can minimize the toolbar into a partial view using this arrow, or hide it completely if you want. But let's open the full toolbar. There you go. There is your Enscape toolbar. What I want to emphasize here is the Start Enscape button. This is the first button with the Enscape logo on it. That's the only one, you can't miss it. Click on it and a loading screen will open. This could take a few seconds depending on your system. Enscape first exports the geometry, then the materials. I am just reading out loud what I see on this screen here at the bottom. And now it says Starting Enscape. There it is. Now mind you, this is out of the box. I haven't applied any Enscape materials or changed any Enscape settings. This is the first time this project is being opened with Enscape. All the info is being taken from my CAD. Isn't this amazing? You are ready to explore your projects now. What if, by accident, you hide the toolbar inside this viewport? How could you get it back again? Well, it would look like this. You would only be able to see this down arrow, or chevron, as the Enscape guys call it. Just click on this down arrow, and there is your toolbar again. Now that we have moved this to the side, what is the first thing you would want to do? Create your first render, right? That is what we are going to do. Let's create an out-of-the-box render. All you have to do is to spot the screenshot button. It is this one here. Click on it and a window will pop up to ask you for the location where you want to save it. For example, I have created this folder to save all my renders here. I can now type in a name and choose an image type. There are some options you have here. And then click Save. Well, I don't know about you, but that was real fast for me. Let's open it up. This is the image we just saved. Great quality, great speed, and I haven't even worked on the model at all inside Enscape. To learn more, watch the next lesson.